Welcome to Borishal Cadet College. I am SM Atikur Raja, lecturer, Department of Mathematics, Borishal Cadet College, Borishal. Boys, I hope that you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Due to Corona pandemic, I could not take your class in your classroom. I have to take your class virtually. Coronavirus is like the flu. Children very rarely get sick, but it feels like a cold. Be careful and tell your parents or teacher if you don't feel good. Tell an adult or your teacher, you don't feel good, you have a cough, your head hurts. But I am going to take your higher mathematics first paper class for class 11. Today's topic, the straight line from chapter 3A. Learning outcome. At the end of the lesson, you will be able to know about determine the polar coordinates from Cartesian coordinate, determine the Cartesian coordinates from the polar coordinates, relation between Cartesian and polar coordinates and application, solving problem about coordinate, coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry is considered to be one of the most interesting concepts of mathematics. Coordinate geometry or the analytic geometry describes the link between geometry and algebra through graphs involving curves and lines. It provides geometric aspects in algebra and enables to solve geometric problems. It is a part of geometry where the position of points on the plane is described using an ordered pair of numbers. Here the concept of coordinate geometry, also known as Cartesian geometry, are explained along with its formulas and their derivations. Coordinate geometry terms. Coordinate geometry definition. It is one of the branches of geometry where the position of a point is defined using coordinates. What is the coordinates? Coordinates are a set of values which helps to show the exact position of a point in the coordinate plane. Coordinate plane meaning, a coordinate plane is a two-dimensional plane which is formed by the intersection of two perpendicular lines known as the x-axis and y-axis. Distance formula. It is used to find the distance between 2 points. Section formula. It is used to divide any line into 2 parts. Midpoint theorem. This formula is used to find the coordinates at which a line is divided into 2 equal parts. But here, this is an axis, this is another axis. The point at which the axis intersect is known as the origin. The location of any point on a plane is expressed by a pair of values x, y, and these pairs are known as the coordinates. This pair is known as the coordinates. The figure below shows the Cartesian plane with coordinate 4, 2. Here 4, 2. Abscissa and ordinate. The x-coordinate of a point is its perpendicular distance from the y-axis measured along the x-axis, and it is known as abscissa. The y-coordinate of a point is its perpendicular distance from the axis measured along the y-axis, and it is known as ordinate. Here 4 comma 2. 4 is a abscissa and 2 is a ordinate. Distance formula. To calculate distance between 2 points, let the 2 points be A and B having coordinates to be x1, y1 and x2, y2 respectively. We are given a figure where A is a point, it is indicated by x1, y1 and B is a point which is indicated by x2, y2. Thus, the distance between 2 points is given as d equal to root over x minus x2 square plus y minus y2 whole square. Midpoint theorem. To find midpoint of a line connecting 2 points. Here we draw a figure where AB is a line and M is a midpoint. M is denoted by x, y. Consider the same points A and B having coordinates to be x1, y1 and x2, y2 respectively. Let M, xy be the point midpoint of lying on the line connecting these 2 points A and B. The coordinates of the point M is given as M xy equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Relation between Cartesian and polar coordinates. Here, the two axes intersect at the point O. The Cartesian coordinate of P, B, Cartesian coordinate of point P, B, x, y. We can indicate it r, theta when we consider the polar coordinate. Whereas from sine ratio, you know that sine theta equal to y by r, because sine theta equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. From this, we get y equal to r sine theta. This is equation number 1. Now, cos theta equal to x by r, because as you know, cos theta equal to base by hypotenuse. From this, we get x equal to r cos theta, which is equation number 2. Squaring 1 and 2 and then adding, we get y square plus x square equal to r square, first bracket sine square theta plus cos square theta. As you know, sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. That means r square dot 1 equal to r square. Finally, r square equal to y square plus x square. So r equal to root over y square plus x square. Dividing 2 by 1, then we get y by x equal to r sin theta by r cos theta equal to sin theta by cos theta equal to tan theta. So here tan theta equal to y by x. So theta equal to tan inverse y by x. Find the polar coordinates from Cartesian coordinate -1 minus root 3. Was let r equal to r comma theta be the polar coordinates of the given point -1 minus root 3, where r equal to root over -1 square plus minus root 3 square, because you know r equal to root over x square plus y square. Here x equal to -1, y equal to minus root 3. So boys, from this we get root over 1 plus 3, that means 4. Root over 4 equal to 2. And boys, you know theta equal to tan inverse y by x. Here y equal to minus root 3, x equal to -1. So we get theta equal to tan inverse minus root 3 by -1. Boys, you know in third quadrant tan theta and cot theta are positive. From this we get pi plus tan inverse root 3. So pi remains same, tan inverse remains same, root 3 equal to tan pi by 3. From this we get pi plus pi by 3. So finally we get 4 pi by 3. The polar coordinates of the given point are 2, 4 pi by 3. Find the Cartesian coordinates from the polar coordinates 4, pi by 4. Let xy be Cartesian coordinates of the given point 4, pi by 4. Because you know x equal to r cos theta. Here r equal to 4, theta equal to pi by 4. So putting this value, we get x equal to 4 cos pi by 4. Here 4 remains same. Cos pi by 4 equal to 1 by root 3. So boys, finally we get x equal to 2 root 3 and y equal to r sin theta. That means y equal to 4 sin pi by 4. 4 sin pi by 4, that means 1 by root 2. Here, after calculating, we get y equal to 2 root 2. The Cartesian coordinates of the given point are 2 root 2, 2 root 2. Transform r first bracket 1 plus cos theta equal to 2 into Cartesian equation. Whereas at first we write this equation, then we get r first bracket 1 plus cos theta equal to 2. Then we get r plus r cos theta equal to 2. Whereas you know r equal to root over x square plus y square and r cos theta equal to x. Putting this value, we get this equation. If we change the position and then we get root over x square plus y square equal to 2 minus x. Whereas if we square on both sides, then we get x square plus y square equal to 4 minus 4x plus x square. The required Cartesian equation, y square equal to 4 minus 4x. If the distances of the point a, 5 from the y-axis and the point 7, 2 are equal, find a. Whereas the distance from the point a, 5 to the y-axis equal to absolute value a. The distance from the point a, 5 to the point 7, 2 equal to root over a minus 7 square plus 5 minus 2 whole square. Whereas here I use distance formula. According to question, absolute value of a equal to root over a minus 7 whole square plus 5 minus 2 whole square. Squaring both sides, then we get a square equal to a square minus 14a plus 49 plus 9. Because after calculating, we get 14a equal to 58. So a equal to 58 by 14. So finally we get a equal to 29 by 7, which is our required answer. Show that the points 1, 1, minus 4, 13, 8, 8, and 13, minus 4 are the vertices of a rhombus. But we draw a figure. Here, this indicate 4 points. Solution. Let the given 4 points are 1, 1, minus 4, 13, 8, 8, and 13, minus 4. But using distance formula, then we get AB equal to AB equal to root over 1 plus 4 square plus 1 minus 13 whole square. 1 plus 4, that means 5. 5 square equal to 25. 1 minus 13, that means minus 12. Minus 12 square equal to 144. Whereas 25 plus 144, that means 169. Root over 169 equal to 13. BC. Using distance formula, boys, we get root over 4 minus 8 whole square plus 13 minus 8 whole square. That here minus 4 minus 8, that means minus 12. Minus 12 whole square, that means 144 plus 13 minus 8 whole square, that means 5 whole square, that means 25. Whereas 144 plus 25, that means 169. Root over 169 means 13. Whereas CD. Using distance formula, then we get 8 minus 13. 8 minus 13 whole square, 8 minus 4, that means 8 minus minus 4, that means 8 plus 4 whole square. Here 8 minus 5, that means minus 5 whole square equal to 25. 8 plus 4, equal to 12. That means 12 square equal to 144. Whereas 25 plus 144, that means 169 equal to root over 169 equal to 13. Whereas dA here root over 1 plus 4 whole square plus 1 minus 13 whole square equal to root over 25 plus 144. Whereas summation of 25 plus 144 equal to 169. Root over 169 equal to 13. Whereas here SC and BD are two diagonals. S equal to root over 1 minus 8 whole square plus 1 minus 8 whole square, because the coordinate of A 1 comma 1, coordinate of C 8 comma 8. 1 minus 8, that means minus 7. Minus 7 whole square equal to 49. Here minus 7 whole square equal to 49. That means 2 into 49. Root over 49 equal to 7. That means root over 2 into 49 means 7 root 2. Here BD equal to root over 4 minus 13 whole square plus 13 plus 4 whole square, because the coordinate of B minus 4 13, the coordinate of D 13 minus 4. Here minus 4 minus 13, that means minus 17. Minus 17 whole square equal to 289. Here 13 plus 4 equal to 17. That means 17 whole square equal to 289. Whereas here root over 2 into 289. Root over 289, that means 17. So finally we get 7 root 2. ABCD be a quadrilateral whose four sides are equal. Here AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA equal to 13, and its diagonal SC not equal to BD. So as finally we can say these 4 points are the vertices of a rhombus. If the radius of a circle is 5 and coordinates of the center is 5, 3, find the length of a chord which is bisected at the point 3, 2. Whereas at first we draw a figure where O is the center, C is the midpoint of chord AB. So whereas OC perpendicular on AB. Here OA equal to 5 because the radius of a circle is 5. Here, using distance formula, boys, from these 2 points O and C, we get OC square equal to 5 minus 3 whole square plus 3 minus 2 whole square. That is 5 minus 3, that means 2. 2 whole square equal to 4. 3 minus 2 equal to 1. 1 whole square equal to 1. Whereas finally we get 4 plus 1 equal to 5. OC square equal to 5. From right angle triangle OAC, we get OA square plus AC whole square plus OC whole square. Whereas here we apply Pythagoras formula. OA square equal to OA equal to 5. That means OA square equal to 5 square equal to AC square plus 5, because OC square whole square equal to 5. Whereas after calculating AC square equal to 25 minus 5, that means AC square equal to 20. SC equal to root over 20. That means root over 4 into 5. That means 2 root 5. Whereas here AB equal to 2 into SC. Putting the value of SC, we get 2 into 2 root 5. That means 4 root 5. So the length of the chord AB is 4 root 5. Homework. Find the polar coordinate from Cartesian coordinate 1, minus root 3. Find the Cartesian coordinate from the polar coordinate minus root 2 minus pi by 4. If the coordinates of two vertices of an equilateral triangle are 0, minus 4 and 0, 4, find the coordinate of the third vertex. Was coronavirus has stopped our life. Follow the easy steps to help prevent the spread of COVID-19. Disinfect surfaces around your home and work. Wash your hands for at least 20 seconds. Sneeze or cough when cover your mouth when sneeze or cough. But try to keep distance. Try to follow the rules of World Health Organization. Avoid public gathering so that you can save yourself from COVID-19. Thank you.